Once your notes are defined and their locations filtered, you can begin to add values to them. In this video, we will investigate adding values to the non-word type notes. We'll begin with Process Owner. If I select one of my processes and move to the Property sheet, I can click in the Process Owner property and enter the text directly. Similarly, for numeric notes like version number, I can enter the value manually. However, if I enter a value which breaks the definition I've set for the note, the product will complain. In this case, I'm only allowed 2 whole digits. The next type of note is a memo type note. This note is called staff members and is a way of recording the usernames associated with your specific roles. If I select my roles drop down and choose a role, moving to its property sheet, I can enter the staff member value. Clicking in reveals a button which, when selected, opens up the note content. Within here, I can enter the names Pressing OK will save the note content. Whenever a note is given a value, it is shown in the tree view using this post-it note and pin icon. Moving back to my processes list, I can enter the next type of note, a binary note. In this case, the note is designed to allow me to state which processes will be audited. If I select the process, return to my property sheet, I can choose one of 2 values from the binary drop-down. I can also, within here, enter an extra view date for the date type note. The remaining 3 types of notes we have: time span, select one, and arithmetic. In this particular instance, will be best served with values upon the tasks. If I move to my Approve and Pay Accounts Payable process, I can select a task like Receive Invoice and view its properties. Within here, I can populate the note values. For a time span note like Time Taken, clicking in the property reveals a button which, upon selection, will open the Edit Time Span window. Within here, I can enter a value in days, hours, minutes, or seconds for that note. Pressing OK will save the value. For activity type, because it is a select one note, I can choose from the values that I have created in the model. In this case, receiving the invoice is an essential non-value added activity. And much like with numeric notes, for arithmetics, I can manually enter a value as long as I stick to the definition I've set.